Toyota has a reputation for building cars that go the extra mile, sometimes a lot more. While most vehicles start showing serious wear well before six figures, certain Toyota models have earned legendary durability, routinely hitting 300,000 miles and beyond with basic maintenance. In this video, we're highlighting 5 of the toughest Toyotas on the road, the ones that reward patient ownership with years of trouble-free driving. If longevity matters to you, these are the models you'll want on your shortlist. Today, we will talk about 5 Toyotas that last over 300,000 miles. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. 5 Toyotas that last over 300,000 miles. Legendary reliability. Toyota has long been synonymous with longevity and dependability, earning a reputation for vehicles that can surpass the 300,000-mile mark with proper care. In this guide, we'll explore 5 Toyota models that are widely recognized for their ability to endure extreme mileage while maintaining strong performance and reliability. These vehicles exemplify Toyota's philosophy of engineering simplicity, conservative design, and high-quality materials, which combine to create cars and trucks that not only survive decades of use, but often continue to perform like new with routine maintenance. From compact sedans to rugged trucks, Toyota has offered options across multiple segments that reward owners with decades of trouble-free driving. We'll cover model-specific strengths, engines, drivetrain durability, common maintenance practices, and ownership tips for pushing these vehicles well past the 300,000-mile threshold. By the end, readers will have a clear understanding of which Toyotas are the best bets for extreme longevity and how to maximize the lifespan of their vehicles. Understanding these models is invaluable for budget-conscious buyers and enthusiasts who prioritize reliability over flash. 2. Toyota Corolla, compact car champion. The Toyota Corolla is a compact car legend, celebrated for its bulletproof engines, simple mechanical layout, and excellent fuel efficiency. Many Corollas from the 1990s through the 2010s are frequently reported to exceed 300,000 miles when properly maintained. Key factors contributing to this longevity include Toyota's proven 4-cylinder engines, durable transmissions, and minimal reliance on complex electronics in earlier generations. Routine maintenance, including timely oil changes, coolant flushes, and brake servicing, ensures that the engine, drivetrain, and suspension components continue to function reliably over decades. Corollas are often considered low cost to maintain because parts are widely available, and many issues are straightforward to address. The vehicle's unassuming design and conservative engineering help prevent failure-prone features common in other compact cars. Additionally, Toyota's global parts support and robust dealer network make it easy to source replacement components, contributing to the Corolla's legendary lifespan. Owners who prioritize preventive maintenance, avoid aggressive driving, and ensure timely replacement of wear items can expect their Corolla to surpass 300,000 miles without major mechanical headaches. 3. Toyota Camry, the mid-size marathoner. The Toyota Camry is one of the most dependable mid-size sedans ever produced, and its ability to exceed 300,000 miles is well documented. Camry models from the 1990s through the 2010s combine smooth, naturally aspirated 4- and 6-cylinder engines with robust automatic transmissions, providing decades of trouble-free performance. Regular maintenance practices, such as timing belt or chain replacements, spark plug servicing, and cooling system upkeep, are essential to achieving ultra-high mileage. The Camry's build quality and conservative engineering contribute to minimal wear on suspension and chassis components, making it a favorite among drivers who plan to keep a car for the long term. Hybrid variants, like the Camry Hybrid, offer an additional layer of efficiency while maintaining Toyota's reputation for longevity, although high-mileage hybrid components may require careful monitoring. Owners frequently report minimal unexpected repairs and high fuel efficiency even beyond 300,000 miles. This combination of reliability, comfort, and affordability makes the Camry one of Toyota's most enduring models, capable of providing decades of ownership with proper care. 4. Toyota Prius, the hybrid icon. The Toyota Prius revolutionized hybrid technology and remains one of the most long-lasting vehicles in the modern automotive world. Many Prius owners report mileage well beyond 300,000 miles. thanks to Toyota's robust hybrid battery systems and efficient internal combustion engines. The synergy between the electric motor and gasoline engine reduces strain on the engine while providing excellent fuel economy, which indirectly contributes to mechanical longevity. Key maintenance considerations for high-mileage Priuses include hybrid battery health monitoring, inverter coolant maintenance, and standard servicing of brakes and suspension components. Toyota's conservative engineering ensures that both the gasoline and electric components are durable, and the widespread availability of replacement hybrid modules or refurbished battery packs further extends the vehicle's lifespan. Prius models also benefit from Toyota's history of software refinement, ensuring reliability in hybrid management systems. For buyers seeking a vehicle that combines longevity, low fuel costs, and minimal environmental impact, the Prius stands out as a hybrid capable of comfortably surpassing 300,000 miles when properly cared for. 5. Toyota Tacoma. The durable pickup. The Toyota Tacoma has earned a reputation as one of the most durable mid-size trucks ever produced, often surpassing 300,000 miles, especially in models with well-maintained engines and transmissions. Known for their rugged construction, the Tacoma's drivetrain, suspension, and chassis are built to withstand heavy-duty use, off-road adventures, and daily commuting. Engine choices like the V6 offer robust performance without sacrificing reliability, while manual and automatic transmission options provide longevity when serviced regularly. Preventive maintenance, such as timely oil changes, brake servicing, and proper cooling system care, is critical to extending the truck's lifespan. Tacoma owners often report that the simplicity and durability of the vehicle's components make repairs straightforward and cost-effective, contributing to long-term reliability. Furthermore, Toyota's extensive parts network ensures that even older Tacomas can be maintained efficiently. This combination of rugged engineering, reliable powertrains, and ease of maintenance makes the Tacoma a standout choice for drivers seeking a vehicle that can exceed 300,000 miles while remaining dependable in everyday use. 6. Toyota 4Runner, the rugged SUV. The Toyota 4Runner is a legendary SUV recognized for its off-road capability and extreme durability, frequently surpassing 300,000 miles with consistent maintenance. Its body-on-frame construction, proven V6 engine, and robust suspension system are designed to withstand rugged terrain and heavy-duty driving. Routine servicing of the drivetrain, timing components, brakes, and cooling systems ensures that the vehicle remains reliable over decades. Toyota's conservative approach to electronics in the 4Runner, especially in earlier generations, minimizes failure-prone components, contributing to high mechanical reliability. The 4Runner's drivetrain and transfer case are engineered for longevity, and many owners report minimal major repairs, even at extreme mileage. Proper maintenance and cautious off-road use are crucial to achieving 300,000-mile performance, but the SUV's construction and Toyota's reliability pedigree make it a top choice for longevity enthusiasts. Its combination of utility, ruggedness, and durable design solidifies the 4Runner's status as one of Toyota's long-life vehicles. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.